1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The freedom we had just begun, sweeter than the finest rum, with my Angeline. A home with every kind of tree, built it without anything. Life was like a peach and cream, with my Angeline. Angeline, oh Angeline, she had the softest smile that I had ever seen. Sweet summer rain, I just want to be able to see her again. That day I was walking down the railroad tracks, I heard the sound. The sheriff, he was mighty proud, and told me I had to pay. The foreman, he had come to find prison folk to work the mine. The judge was there to give me time away from Angeline. Angeline, oh Angeline, she's the sweetest song that I could ever sing. I just want to be able to sing to her again. 7 years until I'm free, working off this prison fee. My fingers smell like kerosene in a mine in Tennessee. Every day I hold my breath, every hour I wish for death. Angeline, she settled west, away from Tennessee. Tennessee, oh Tennessee, you have the darkest veins that I have ever seen. Deep in the mine, Angeline, your memories won't let me die. Softest smile that I have ever seen. Sweet summer rain, I just want to be able to see you again.